Well, let's discuss about 3 ways to make money with Clickfunnels as soon as this week. I'm not even joking. Keep watching this video. Hey, what's up you guys? This is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you that how you can make some money with Clickfunnels. There are 3 ways. There are literally 3 ways that you can start making money with Clickfunnels. If you don't know what Clickfunnels is a landing page builder, it's a website builder that you can easily drag and drop all the elements to build a website, to build your landing pages, your opt-in pages, and then you can sell your products or you can promote an affiliate product. But in this video, I want to share those 3 ways with you. So super simple. I'm going to explain everything in details. Number 1 is affiliate funnels. So affiliate funnels, it's super common, but it's super lucrative if you know how to do it properly. So for affiliate funnels, you definitely have your list going on right here. So that's the whole point, that you want to make a list. You want to build your list, you want to add more subscribers. So you have your opt-in page, you're promoting something, whatever it is, in whatever niche, doesn't matter. I have tons of videos about that. And then you send them to a thank you page. So you have your opt-in page, you collect their email address here, and then there's a button that they click on it. After that, they go to the thank you page. Whatever you structure it, it's going to be in form of video or it's just a text, and then they'll get directed to the affiliate offer. This is what it is. You have your affiliate link integrated with a thank you page, with the opt-in page, and then after that you send people to your affiliate offer, and you can make tons of money if you know how to drive traffic with it, which is the most important part. But let's say that this is one of the ways that you can start making money with Clickfunnels in 2021, 2022, all the way until Clickfunnels exists. So this is number 1. I'm going to get back to all of them again to talk about something that you can do in order to make them happen. I'm just not going to list all 3 methods and then finish the video. I'm not going to do that. So this is number 1, affiliate funnels. Number 2 is promote Clickfunnels itself. Yes, you're right. You can promote Clickfunnels itself, and you can make recurring income, and which is the most important part. This is what you should be looking for if you are looking to build a stable and efficient online business. You got to actually rely on it. You got to rely on recurring income. If you don't have a recurring income, you can say that you have a stable online business, because for ClickBank, I talk about this on every single video, that when you promote something, it's just a one-time sale and then it doesn't happen. Even if you're not building your list, it's even worse. You make a sale, it's done. You got to find a new customer, and then you do it over and over and over. Maybe you have someone one day, you don't have someone. But for Clickfunnels or for whatever software that gives you recurring income, you know that you're going to make this money every single month, even more, because you're going to add more people to that. So recurring income, and Clickfunnels is actually $97 a month for one of their plans. It's $97 a month, and you get 40% of that. So you get 40% of this $97 for one person. So you just need to have a few hundred subscribers to make 6 figures a month by just promoting Clickfunnels and not affiliate funnels. This is the second one that you can consider. So the first one is affiliate funnels, which is super important, and I highly recommend you to learn this skill. I'm going to show you how you can do that. You can grab my 4-day video training series from the description. It's going to be the first link. I talk about everything in details, that how you can do that in the most efficient way. So number 3 is online course. So for this one, you have 2 options, whether you build one or you use PLR websites. So online courses, is super good. It's super lucrative. You can make a lot of money from it, because the thing is that you just create a product and you sell it over and over and over. So guess what? The profit margin is 100%. It's not drop shipping. You don't have any cost. You don't have any shipping costs. You don't have any inventory costs. You don't have any customer service. If the customer service, the worst case scenario is that they want a refund, then you do that. But you're not going to handle anything in the middle. You just create a course and then you deliver it over and over and over. So for building a new course, you know, if you're a newbie, it's going to be super hard, and you probably don't have anything to teach. So but you can use PLR websites, and then after that you can create a funnel to promote these PLR products to make money. And you can use tons of PLR products. So for example, I can show you one of them is here, the plrstore.com. They have tons of products, as you can see. These are just ebooks. You can go to softwares, you can go to videos. So what I personally use is called IDPLR, which is my favorite one. I personally like this website. You just buy a membership for, I don't know, $60 for 3 months, something like this, for unlimited downloads, but you can have 2 golden downloads. So here, free products, ebooks, software, videos, audio, graphic, templates, whatever you want. Software, you go for private label rights, or you can go for resale rights, whatever you want. You can go for private label rights to see what type of softwares they have, so you can start promoting on your website or on your funnel. So lead book generator, these are all softwares. Instant content creator, fast cash ninja, I don't know what they are, but they're mostly for SEO, if I'm not wrong. There are tons of them, to be honest with you. I don't want to go through every single one of them. There are, how many? Like 4 up to here, 4 pages up to here, and just go through it. Just go through to see which one makes the most sense. Create a website, create a funnel for that, and then you can start promoting these products. But this is where the story begins. This is where the journey begins. After you've done all of them, let's say you have affiliate funnels, you have an offer to promote, you have your opt-in page ready, you have your thank you page, and then you send traffic to affiliate offer, or you're promoting Clickfunnels for you get 40%, or you build an online course, or you just resell a PLR product. But the important thing you need to consider is an ecosystem marketing. So ecosystem affiliate marketing is the key right now. If you are super serious about making money with affiliate marketing and you're looking for a way that makes you passive income every single month. I talked about ecosystem affiliate marketing in my previous videos. Go check them out. Not right now, after watching this video. Don't forget to check them out. It could be super informative, because the thing is that you promote a software or whatever it is. It's a program. I'm doing something. It's an affiliate marketing program that actually makes me passive income on a monthly basis, because it's a subscription based program, which you can find the link below in the description. You can grab my free 4-day video training series, and inside that I talk about it in details. So ecosystem, because you're gonna make yourself safe. You're gonna be sure that you are making a certain amount of money on a regular basis, regardless what happens, you know. But if you want to go for something that doesn't have it, it's going to be a little bit more, you know, it's going to be bothering everyone. Like, I'm talking about myself. I don't like that. I want ecosystem affiliate marketing so I can make money. Even the program promotes something else for me, so I don't do the selling. So for the program that I personally partner with, I don't do the selling. I just refer traffic to that offer. They make a purchase inside the program, and I make 100% commissions. And I haven't done anything, because I haven't done the selling. I just drove traffic to that. That's it. That's all I did, and it's a very good thing. But for doing all of them profitably, what do you need? What do you need? You need traffic. Simple. You need traffic to make everything happen. So why creating a traffic? You should never create a traffic. You gotta find traffic. You gotta be somewhere that the traffic is already there. Why looking for it? You gotta attract traffic to yourself. For doing it, you can use YouTube. You can literally use YouTube. You can use solo ads. I mean, you're buying it actually, but it's not free. You can use YouTube, you can use paid ads. You can use all of these stuff to actually promote your offer, which is super important. YouTube. You don't have to show your face on camera. There are tons of ways that you can make a YouTube video without even showing your face on camera, without even talking over it. If you're not comfortable in front of camera or you don't want to do voiceover, there's so many ways you can do that. But you got to know the process. You got to learn how to do them properly, so you can actually get results. You don't just want to shoot in the dark to see what happens. You want to get results. So the program that I personally partner with is called Partner with Anthony. So it's PWA. I have a separate review video about this program, which you can check above this video, that what it does exactly for you and how you can benefit literally so much from doing this. Because if you want to promote ClickFunnels, I would say good luck. There's too much competition, and if you're someone who just started out and wants to make a really good commission out of a software or an affiliate offer, I would recommend you to give it to someone else who does the selling for you. And this is all about ecosystem affiliate marketing. So I'm probably you're probably confused right now about all this stuff that I'm talking about. Don't forget to check my previous videos, the ones that you're seeing in the cards. Just click on it, see the recommended videos, and go watch the videos to see what ecosystem affiliate marketing is. You just sit back, relax, drive traffic, make sales out of everything. You make 50% for the first one, for the core product, 100% for different tools, and one of them is ClickFunnels. Someone else does the selling for you. What do you want to do yourself? You can create an online course, which we already talked about. You can promote ClickFunnels itself and affiliate funnels. All of them need traffic. So for PWA, the only thing you need to do right now is just clicking on the first link in the description to grab my free 4-day video training series that I talk about everything in details about my own journey in 4 different days, and I'm talking about affiliate marketing and this program itself. If you're serious about making money with affiliate marketing, this is something that I recommend you to do, because it's the easiest thing. If you're looking for an easy way and a very cheap way with low investment, this is something that I personally recommend to you. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop your comment below this video. You can personally reach out to me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the other side.